Do you want to use the storage spaces in your Windows 11? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do that. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. With storage spaces, physical disks can be grouped into pools, and these pools are then carved up into spaces, which are formatted with a regular file system and are used day to day just like regular disks. These disks can be connected either through USB, SATA, or SAS. This feature brings the safety of RAID and allows expanding space to store files, all at a lower cost. Now, here is how to use storage spaces on Windows 11 or 10. Let's get started. Method: set up storage spaces in Windows 11 or 10. Storage spaces are the part of a storage pool. Therefore, to create storage spaces on Windows, first you need to create a storage pool. Do note that the hard drive you use to create a storage pool should not contain data because this action will erase all the data on your hard drive. Therefore, back up your data before connecting a hard drive to create a storage pool. To create a pool and a mirrored space, go to the control panel and next click on Storage Spaces. When a window shows up, select the Create a New Pool and Storage Space option. Click on Yes from the USC prompt. Next, select the drives to create a storage pool. Remember, if the selected drives contain files, you will lose them all and won't be able to recover them from recycle bin. Next, select a name, layout and size for the storage space. To add more disks to the current pool, simply select the drives to be added and hit the Add Drives option. Shortly after that, you will observe the process of creating a pool in progress. Here, you can rename the pool if you would like to. To create additional parity space, click Create a Shortage Space and then choose Parity from the Layout options. While creating a storage pool, if you run out of capacity, you will see a notification like this. If such a case, click on the notification to get some information and try to fix it. So that was how to create storage spaces and start using it like any other disk. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.